In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in Adobe InDesign. First, open your project in Adobe InDesign. Once your project is open, go to the top navigation bar and click on the Window option. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over color and then click on Swatches. You can also open the Swatches panel directly by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Once the Swatches panel is open, you will see an option called Paper. Double-click on this option and a color picker window will appear. From here, you can adjust the color sliders or enter specific color values to select a color. To see how the background color will look before applying it, enable the Preview option. Once you have selected your color, click OK. The selected color will be applied to the background of your pages. If you want to change the background color of a specific section or part of a page, select the Rectangle tool from the left-hand side toolbar. Click and drag to create a rectangular shape over the area where you want to apply the new color. Once you have created the rectangle, select a color from the Color panel. After selecting the color, right-click on the rectangle and choose Lock to prevent accidental movement or changes. The new color will now appear as the background for that specific area while maintaining the overall background color for the rest of the document. This is how you can change the background color in Adobe InDesign.